Hi friends, welcome back to Aware of Jobs YouTube channel. Today's topic is top 10 professional career courses. Still, if you are not subscribed my channel, then subscribe now and press the bell icon to get my latest video updates. Give your like and share my video with your friends. Please watch this video till the end. First one, engineering courses B and B Tech. Bachelor of Engineering, Bachelor of Technology. The course duration is 4 years. Engineering courses are among the largely opted courses for which physics, chemistry and mathematics subjects in class 12th is the eligibility requirement. Engineering courses have endless opportunities in the job market to drive with lakhs of candidates are coming out every year. A student can prepare for the IIT JEE entrance exam to get admission in the top ranked IITs, Indian Institutes of Technology. Popular engineering branches are computer science, civil, mechanical, electrical, IT, petroleum and agricultural. One can easily get a job after completing BE or BTech. The average starting salary of an engineer is 3 lakhs per annum. Second one, architecture. Bachelor of Architecture. The course duration is 5 years. Architecture programs includes learning, planning, designing building structures. Work of an architect includes designing and restoration of buildings such as residential buildings, malls, restaurants, complexes. The national level examination NATA conducted by the Council of Architecture for getting admission in this course. NATA means National Aptitude Test in Architecture. There are a lot of opportunities for architects in government as well as private sector. The average starting salary of an architect is 5 to 6 lakhs per annum. Third one, Commercial Pilot. The course duration is 3 years. If you have been a science student who always wished for an adventurous life and possesses speedy, calculative and high analytical mind, then becoming a commercial pilot can be the best option for you. Try to get admission into government college like Indira Gandhi Rashtriya Uran Academy where fees are reasonable. There are many private colleges where you can learn to fly but fees charged are very high. Student pilot license, the duration of this course is 6 months. Private pilot license, it is 1 year duration course. Commercial pilot license, the duration of this course is 3 years. The average starting salary of the commercial pilot is rupees 1 lakh to 1.5 lakh per month. Fourth one, Merchant Navy. The course duration is 4.5 years. Merchant Navy is not only a job, rather a passion to pursue. If you are passionate about the sea life, then this is the best course to opt for you. And every year the central government releases a notification to fill up the Merchant Navy candidates. After completing the Merchant Navy course, it is mandatory for all candidates to undergo pre-sea training conducted by the Maritime Training Institute. You can become captain, navigation in charge and assistant captain. The average starting salary in Merchant Navy is 70,000 to 80,000 per month. Fifth one, Bachelor in Computer Applications BCA. It is a 3-year undergraduate degree program for students wishing to enter into the world of computer languages. BCA offers job opportunities in IT sector, MNCs with good career growth and draw heavy salaries. This course gives you an insight into the world of computers and its applications. You can work as a software developer, database administrator, network administrator, system analyst, web designer, app developer. The average starting salary of BCA is 6 lakhs rupees per annum. Sixth one, Bachelor in Pharmacy B Pharm C. The course duration is 4 years. B Pharmacy eligibility is 10+2 with subject combination of either physics, chemistry and biology or physics, chemistry and mathematics. Huge demand of pharmacists in the medical pharmacy sector and healthcare industry field. In pharmacy courses, students studying about the chemical structure, function, combination uses and preparation of medicines. Most of them open up their own pharmacy store once they become a licensed practitioner. The average starting salary of a pharmacist is 4 to 5 lakhs per annum. Seventh one, career in physics. The course duration is 3 or 4 years. A career in physics demands strong logical thinking, problem solving skills and passion for physics. A career in areas such as econophysics, aerospace, computational physics, medical physics, nuclear physics, data science and also go for research or teaching fields. Top colleges for the best physics study are IISc, Bangalore, IISc or Ansara's College, NISC or Odisha, Presidency University, Kolkata, Banaras Hindu University and St. Stephen's College, Delhi. The average starting salary of a physics candidate is 3 to 5 lakhs per annum and enhance your graduate to postgraduate. Eighth one, career in mathematics. The course duration is 3 or 4 years. If you love the mathematics, then make a bright future in fields related to number, data and computation. A career in data science, insurance, banking, stock market, meteorology and teaching fields. Top institutes offering a degree in mathematics are Indian Statistical Institute, IIT Bombay, IISc Bangalore, Institute of Mathematical Sciences and Delhi Technological University, Delhi. The average starting salary of a mathematics candidate is 3 to 5 lakhs per annum and enhance your graduate to postgraduate. Ninth one, career in defense. The course duration is 3 years. If you are crazy about to serve the nation, a career in defense is option for you. Defense studies are made for military jobs with various fields to consider from army to navy. Defense involves protecting the country from external threats and most of the job involves in country's borders. There are 3 branches: the army, the navy and the air force. If you want to join the defense services, then appear in the National Defense Academy entrance examination after class 12th. The average starting salary of defense candidate is 80,000 to 90,000 per month. 10th one, career in teaching. Degree with Bachelor of Education. Total course duration is 5 years. For a teaching career, you have to get a graduation degree with good marks. After that, you can go for a degree course in education like B.Ed. You can also pursue master's degree programs and huge demand for teachers in science subjects. Teacher salary will vary on teaching subjects in different types of government and private colleges. The average starting salary is 25,000 to 35,000 per month. Please subscribe, like and share my videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.